So I got this leaf blower that I wanted to try out for the first time today and show you how to assemble it and what's included. So this is the main unit of the leaf blower here in this bag. Pop that out, and then there is also the attachment pieces that you have to assemble. And then it also comes with a battery and a charger. Looks just like this. So next thing we're going to do is we are going to see the battery comes charged. So the battery goes right in here. And you just kind of push it on hard like that. And then right here there's a trigger to turn on, and then a rotating dial that gives you different speeds. So you can go really fast, really slow, depending what you want. And then the next thing you're going to do is assemble it. So there is a notch at the top and then a quick release piece in the bottom that fits right into the notch, just like that. And then same thing for this one. And now let me show you how it works. As you just saw, this actually works really well. So if you're looking for a nice handy leaf blower that has a nice grip, that's small and easy to take apart and put back together, this might be a really great option for you.